Hola estudiantes, en este video vamos a aprender sobre los complementos directos. This video is all about direct object pronouns, or in Spanish, complementos directos. Toda la información es de página 41, del libro Avancemos, Unidad 1, Lección 1. La meta. Our goal for this video is to learn how to use direct object pronouns to replace direct object nouns. Since a lot of our vocab is dealing with travel, we will use these direct object pronouns to describe our travel plans and trips in a more articulate and concise way. English grammar connection. Direct object pronouns receive the action of the verb in the sentence. They answer questions like whom or what about the given verb. Direct object pronouns will take the place of a direct object noun. Por ejemplo, what do I have? I have the passport. I have it. So notice I have the noun passport and I'm replacing it with the pronoun it. En español, tengo el pasaporte, lo tengo. Let's see how this is done. Direct object pronouns can be used to replace direct object nouns. So down below, I have in red all of your direct object pronouns. In español, they are as follows. Me, te. Notice I have two in the same box. They are lo and la on the singular side. Moving over to our plural column over on this side, we have nos, os, los, and las. So me significa me, te significa you, and that's the familiar you. That's one we can use with our amigos. We have lo and la. Now this is where we break it down into masculine and feminine. So just like we worked with adjective, agreement, and number and gender, same thing's going to work with our pronouns. So many of the nouns we're working with, like el pasaporte, that was masculine. So I'm going to replace that one with lo. We have other objects like la maleta, so I would replace that noun, that's a feminine singular noun, with la. Moving on to our plural column, nos significa us. Os is that y'all form, that informal plural you used in Spain. Y finalmente, for things like our tickets, los boletos, or suitcases, las maletas, I would pluralize those and put them in the appropriate direct object pronoun to replace those given direct object nouns. Tengo unos ejemplos aquí para ustedes. So direct object pronouns are placed directly before conjugated verbs when I'm forming my sentence in Spanish. Por ejemplo, veo a la profesora. La veo. So if I say I see the teacher, and this teacher happens to be a female, if I just simply want to say I see her, I'm going to start with my direct object pronoun la, which is replacing profesora, and veo, I'm going to keep my conjugated verb the same as I had in my previous sentence. Notice how much shorter that is. Veo la profesora, la veo. I see her. Otro ejemplo, Hector tiene el itinerario. Hector lo tiene. This time I'm working with el itinerario. Masculine singular noun. So since that is masculine and singular, I'm going to use my masculine singular direct object pronoun lo. Hector lo tiene. Hector has it. Muy bien. Otro ejemplo, plural esta vez. So again, the last two examples were singular. Let's say I want to say, compramos los boletos. We bought the tickets, and I simply want to simplify it and say, yeah, we bought them. The subject is clear. I can then take my noun, los boletos, and simply say, los compramos. We bought them. Facilísimo. To end things off here, we have some examples used with infinitivos. So con infinitivos, when an infinitive follows the conjugated verb, the direct object pronoun can be placed either before the conjugated verb or it can be attached to the infinitive. Por ejemplo, no voy a hacer la maleta hoy. Maleta is going to be my direct object noun. I have the choice if I'm saying I'm not going to pack the suitcase today. If I want to say I'm not going to pack it today, I can put it before my conjugated verb, no la voy a hacer hoy. So la replacing la maleta. So no lo no la voy a hacer hoy. I'm not packing it today. Or I have the option of attaching it to my infinitive. No voy a hacerla hoy. Muy bien. We will go over this and practice it some more in class, so I hope this helps you understand how to use direct object pronouns in a sentence to replace your noun to simplify things. Muchas gracias y adiós.